Yeah, that kayak's bigger than most. All right, I am up here at Mayfield Lake at the Ike Kinswa State Park with my buddy Wayne Riz. We're gonna do some kayaking. This is one of my favorite places to kayak. I've filmed, I don't know, a handful of videos from here. But Wayne's never been here, so I'm gonna show him one of my favorite kayak places. Here we go. It's beautiful. All right, well, Wayne and I had a great time kayaking on Mayfield Lake at the Ike Kinswa State Park, and just dropped him off, and now I'm headed home. So thanks so much for watching. Love to have you subscribe and like the video down below, and we'll see you on the next one.